Looky, looky, looky what I found. And I have been looking for this for years. So stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. Everyone, welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. And if you're new here, my name is Dolores. I'll put it up on the screen. I live in New Jersey, northern New Jersey. And let me tell you, for years, and I'm not exaggerating, years, I have been looking in the stores, all the food stores around here, for the Philadelphia Cheesecake No Bake. And it's just nowhere to be found. And every time I'm in a store, I look for it. I go by the cream cheese and I look and I just say to myself, oh, it's not here. And many times I've thought about asking the manager, why don't you have it? Why don't you sell it in this store? So I guess it was about a little over a week ago. We have ShopRites here in New Jersey. I don't know if they have them in other states. They're pretty popular here. Doing my normal shopping, go down the cream cheese aisle like I always do. Well, you would think I won the lottery. I see this in there and I'm like, if people standing around me probably thought I was nuts. I almost gave out a scream. I'm like, oh my God, they have it. I only bought one because they're just, you know, good for so long before they expire, but I felt like buying more so I wouldn't run out. Now, actually, this doesn't expire until the end of August. But yes, I can make my own cheesecake. I've made it many times and I can make my own cheesecake filling. But there is so much you can do with this. And how easy can it be? So I bought it, came home all excited. Doesn't take much to make my day. So open it up here and it looks just so creamy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in the tummy. Let me put this over here. So I'm not doing anything fancy today at all. I just wanted to use it and I wanted to see what it tastes like. I'm sure it's sold in other states, so if you've used it, let me know what you think, but I can't tell you how excited I was to find it. I think I must be Looney Tunes. I don't know. So all I wanted to do was make a cherry cheesecake pie. And, you know, 3 ingredients and 5 minutes. What do you have to lose? So anyway, I bought the graham cracker crust. And I have it here. Let me just unwrap it. Alrighty. And my daughter is a cherry fanatic. She loves anything with cherry on it. Her birthday's tomorrow, so I'm not making this for her. But I'm making it, and maybe I'll bring her over some. So anyway, I just unwrapped the pie crust. Now I'm going to spoon this cheesecake filling, Philadelphia Cheesecake No Bake Original. And oh well, this is not for those on a diet. It says here, 1/8 of a tub is 240 calories, 10 grams of saturated fat, 300 milligrams of sodium, and 15 grams of total sugar. But everything in moderation is good. You can treat yourself once in a while. So I have an extra spoon here because I want to taste it first before I put it in that pie shell. So let me see. If you like cheesecake, you like it. Oh, and here I'm looking on the inside. It says here, recipe for easy cherry cheesecake. Interesting. It's a little different than what I'm doing, but that's fine. I'm doing the easy one. So I'm just going to spoon this into, look at this, into the crust. Now, you can make any kind you want, and it doesn't have to be cherry. You can put strawberries on it. You can make a blueberry one. You can make a lemon one. You can probably even make a chocolate chip one, whatever you like. So I'm putting that in there, and I'm going to smooth it around. I mean, really. You don't have to be a rocket scientist to make this. You have the cheesecake filling in your refrigerator. Unexpected companies come in, whip it out, and in 5 minutes you can put this pie together. So look how nice and easy it's smooth on there. Mmm. Very nice. Okay. You know, there's so many things you can do. You can just experiment. You can use like a rectangle pan. You can make your own graham cracker crumbs with the butter and the graham crackers, press it down, and make it the same way, and make like cherry cheesecake squares. There's another recipe I want to try. I've seen it with crescent rolls, and how they're put inside the wells of a cupcake tin, and then you spoon some of this on there, and a little lemon, and then you fold them up, bake them in the oven, and they look really good. So here we go, and next I just got a can of Lucky Leaf cherry, but not only cherry, this one says premium cherry, fruit filling or topping. Okay, 30% more fruit than regular cherry fruit filling. It's not why I bought it. I bought it because the only brand they had. So, with another spoon here, I'm going to spoon this. Oh, look at this. Oh my, look at that. Spoon this on top of my cheesecake filling. I wonder what you pay in the bakery for one of these pies. I don't know. Look at that. Oh boy. And then I'm going to put it in my refrigerator because you do want the filling to chill. Otherwise it's going to be too soft. Look at that. One can just about does it. What size is this can? This is a 21 ounce can. Look at that. I'll put a picture in for you. So anyway, I just really came on here, not that you've probably never seen this made before, but I came on here just to tell you how excited I was that I found this. I don't understand why they never sold it here. I mean, you see recipes used with it, but how can you make them if you can't find it? So look at that. Unbelievable. I love it. Okay. All right, so that's it. Look at this baby. I'll put a picture in for you. It's heavy too. I'll put it in the refrigerator, and I'll be back later to cut a piece of it and let you know what it tastes like. And by the way, if you haven't already subscribed to my crazy baking channel, just hit that subscribe, and that's it. You'll get a notification next time I have a video up. And if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Helps my channel to grow. So anyway, I'll be back in a little bit to do our favorite, the taste testing. Come on back. The pie has been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and hopefully it firmed up a little bit. It looks absolutely delicious. And now I'm going to do a taste testing and find out if the wait was worth it for that Philadelphia cheesecake filling. So, are we ready? Let me cut a piece of this baby and see what it tastes like. Seems pretty soft. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I will say I'm cutting it and it's very soft inside. So I don't know how this is going to come out. We'll find out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, don't forget before you leave to hit that subscribe and the little bell and come back again. All right, here we go. Ooh, whoa, whoa, oh gosh. Woo, it's soft and my crust fell off. Crust is usually my favorite part. It's very soft. Probably could have stayed in the refrigerator maybe a little longer, but it looks good. And taste is all that matters. So let me give this baby a taste and I'll give you my opinion. When you wait years for a store to sell cheesecake filling, it better be good. Look at that. Okay. It was worth the wait. It's delicious. I don't need a fork. Just give me a spoon. I'll eat it right out of the pie plate. So I'm glad I finally found it. I hope this is not going to be just a one-time thing. I hope the store is going to continue to carry it. In fact, I'm going to check next time I go in there. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If your store sells this and you use it, let me know what you make with it, because I know that there's an awfully lot you can do. You can put any topping on a pie. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Love you all. Toodles! So good.